How to remove Windows bloatware. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can remove Windows bloatware. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, bloatwares are simply some of the unnecessary applications that the OEM provides you by default when you first buy or set up your computer. Such as whenever you have Microsoft Windows installed, you might have some of the applications that you don't require, such as maybe Microsoft Office, OneNote, Microsoft Edge. You don't require those applications, right? So if you would like to uninstall either of these apps and bloatwares, you can simply open up the search bar here and then simply go to control panel, which is the quickest and the easiest way to delete any sort of bloatware. Then go to uninstall a program. Now just remember that if you don't know what kind of app is this, I would recommend you to stay away from it. Go and research a bit about the app that you're deleting. But if there's a certain app that you don't really need, let's say there is a pre-installed application by default, you can select that and then click the uninstall button or right click and click on uninstall to delete that certain application, and you can repeat the process for any of the other apps that you might want as well. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically remove Windows bloatware. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.